CB Tech Stuff, I'm back again. Today, I'm going to give this old Honda Fourtrax 300 some new lights. It's actually got LED bulbs in these that I put in a couple years ago, but they just aren't bright enough. So, I bought a light bar and a couple of these pod lights to put on here. These pod lights, I'm actually going to put in place of the old headlights. They're wide enough. I think they'll work. And I also bought I believe this is a 13-inch light bar. It came with a harness kit with a switch. Let's get it out here. It might be quite 13. The way I'm thinking of mounting the bar, I'm thinking of mounting it in this area. That may not work. That might be shining down. Either right there, maybe right there. I haven't decided yet. Right there probably wouldn't work. Right there might work, but then it's shining up. Or I could do it up here. I don't know, right there actually looks pretty good. I can adjust those set screws. It might be tricky mounting it to these angled bits. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna mount the pods first. I'm just gonna tie them into the existing wires for the existing lights. And yeah. Alright, I just finished installing the lights. It took me a little while. Here's the result. These are the light pods. Dang, those are bright. Ended up tying it into the high beams switch. I guess I could have just rigged up the bar to the high beams and have the others sit on the low beams, but whatever. Actually screwed up drilling the hole on this. I don't know if you can see it. But I had to move the hole down a little bit to get the switch that came with it to fit. And here's the light bar. That sucker is bright. Of course the switch lights up. Four-wheeler's sitting kind of crooked right now, but it has a low tire. And that's the light bar by itself. So light bar, pods. Okay, pods by themselves. Pods and light bar. Just light bar. And that's my dad's four-wheeler. He did something similar with his. But I'm pretty happy with this. I'm just glad this works. Alright.